Imagine you're a medical professional on the go, needing to quickly and easily document patient information, view lab results, or present critical information to colleagues. Or perhaps you're an educator tasked with navigating a busy classroom, lecturing, and grading assignments. You're constantly on the move, requiring a reliable, versatile workstation that can adapt to your unique work style. Well, your search may be over because I'm about to introduce you to a game-changing solution. The Mount It mobile computer cart. Designed specifically for professionals who work on the move, this workstation is perfect for nurses, teachers, office staff, and remote workers. No longer do you need to worry about the hassle of transporting bulky equipment from one location to another. This mobile cart effortlessly navigates through classrooms, exam rooms, and shared office areas, never disrupting your workflow. Let's talk about the ergonomic benefits. The adjustable lifting mechanism allows you to customize the desk height to your preferred comfort level, from 29.5 inches to 43.3 inches. Say goodbye to back pain and fatigue caused by hunching over a desk all day. This height adjustment ensures a healthier posture, so you can sit, stand, or walk while typing, reviewing, or presenting with ease. This workstation boasts more features than just ergonomics. It comes equipped with a spacious 28-inch keyboard tray, providing ample room for your laptop, tablet, or other devices. This thoughtful design also incorporates storage shelves to keep you organized and clutter-free. With the Mount It mobile computer cart, you can now store your pens, papers, files, and other essential materials neatly within reach. Imagine the feeling of having a workstation that adapts to your needs, effortlessly moving from one room to the next. That's exactly what this cart delivers. Its sturdy steel frame ensures stability, while the locking wheels provide security. This mobile workstation is perfect for presentations, charting, and meetings. No more juggling multiple devices, papers, and equipment. This cart has got you covered. In conclusion, if you're in the market for a versatile workstation that combines mobility, ergonomics, and organization, look no further than the Mount It mobile computer cart. This reliable companion will revolutionize your work experience, helping you stay focused and productive on the go. Invest in your own Mount It mobile computer cart today and experience the freedom to work without limits.